back. So after your maths class, it's time to begin with our today's EVS class. Yes, so now this is our environment studies class, and in this class we study about the things that are surrounding by us, those things which are in our surroundings, isn't it? So in the previous class we have learned about summer season and winter season. You remember that? That what all activities we do in summer season, how we enjoy winter season. Though it is cold outside, but still we take hot chocolates, hot drinks, we wear woolen sweaters, and then we use heaters. So these are few activities that we do in winters. But now can you tell me something that we do in summers? Yes, we enjoy eating ice creams, then we go for swimming, we go out in the park and we play there, we go for outings with our families. So this is how we enjoy our summer season. So today we are going to discuss about a different season, that is rainy season. So if you remember our conversation class, I also told you that rainy season is also known as monsoon season. What it is also called? Monsoon season. Rainy season and monsoon season is one and the same thing. Clear? So, can anyone tell me different activities that we do in this rainy season? We enjoy taking a shower in the rain. जब बहुत तेज बारिश होती है, we go out and we try to take a bath there. We enjoy those rains. Then we row boats. So see, paper boats. So you all make paper boat and you row that in water. जब वहाँ water accumulate हो जाता है, when we can see a lot of water is there outside our home, what we do? We take newspaper, we take old newspapers, we make paper boat of them and we row them in water. है ना? वहाँ पे हम बहा देते हैं उनको and we enjoy. Then one thing that we enjoy the most is eating samosas and pakoras. So you all do that? जब it's raining outside, when what do you say? Mama please make some pakoras. Mama खुद भी बहुत सारे variety of pakoras बनाती हैं and we eat that. This is how we enjoy rainy season. Then we use umbrellas, raincoats when we are going out in the rainy season. So for example, अब school जाना है, बैग गीला नहीं कर सकते, यूनिफॉर्म गीला नहीं कर सकते. So what do you have to do? You have to carry either an umbrella or a raincoat to protect yourself from rain. When you are at home in the evening and rain is coming, no worries at all. You can go out और जितनी मस्ती करनी है, you can do that, isn't it? Okay, now one thing which I want to ask you, when it is raining as well as the sun is also shining, sometimes it happens that the rain is also coming and the sun is also shining. So what happens at that time? Something very interesting happens, and I know I have told you also. So today you will tell me what happens at that time. What different you can see in the sky? What different you all can see there? Yes? We see a beautiful rainbow in the sky. Have you ever seen that? A beautiful rainbow which is having 7 colors, and we call it Vibgyor. So what we call that? Vibgyor. See? G-Y-O-R. And you know why we call this Vibgyor? All the letters I have written in capital here. See? V-I-B-G-Y-O-R. So the rainbow is also called, we call that Vibgyor. Why? Because all these letters are indicating one color. You all know that rainbow is having 7 colors in it. So let us first count these alphabets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here we have 7 alphabets. All these alphabets here is referred with one color. What is rainbow? It is a band of 7 colors. Rainbow क्या है? The one which you see in the sky is a band of 7 colors. Isn't it? 7 colors होते हैं. So which are those 7 colors? V for violet, I for indigo, B for blue, G for green, Y for yellow, O for orange, and R for red. Understood? So this is how these are the 7 colors that forms a beautiful rainbow in the sky. And when this comes, it comes when rain is also coming and we can see sun in the sky. बारिश भी हो रही है और धूप भी है. At that time you will see this beautiful creation of rainbow. Clear? Okay. Now how a rain comes? With the help of clouds. What happened? See, grey, white, there are a lot of colors in the clouds. I might have told you when we were doing the topic of colors, isn't it? So when all these clouds, जब ये बहुत सारा इसके अंदर water accumulate हो जाता है and they started fighting with each other, what happens? Comes the rainfall, isn't it? So you must have done that in your fun sheet also. Fun sheet में ma'am has taught you water cycle. You remember, ma'am ने आपको water cycle अभी कराया है. So what is that water cycle? That water cycle is how the water goes up in the evaporation. Water get evaporated जब sun आता है तो water evaporate हो जाता है, सूख जाता है. So वो सूख के कहाँ जाता है? वो droplets उड़ के ऊपर जाती हैं, which is accumulated or trapped by clouds, जिनको clouds अपने अंदर पकड़ लेता है. And when the clouds में इतनी ज़्यादा droplets हो जाती है कि cloud भी नहीं संभाल पाता है, what happen? Comes down the rainfall. तब rainfall होता है. Is that clear to all of you? Okay. Now we have some interesting activities in the book to do related to our rainy season. So let's move towards our book and see how we are going to do all this work today. Clear? So please open your book on page number 105. So I'll write here book page number 105, then 106. Both these pages are your today's classwork, and page number 107 is your today's homework. Clear, class? So let us see how we are going to complete our today's work in book. Okay? Okay, now everyone open your environmental studies book 2, and as I told you, we have revised rainy season today. Why I am saying revision? Because it has already been done in conversation class. So on page number 105, first we will write today's date, that is 1st October 2020. This is our today's date and this is your classwork. So we will write CW here. Then paste stickers of things you use or see in the rainy season. So you remember we did that in winter season and in summer season also. Similarly, we are going to paste stickers today that are related to rainy season. Okay. So from back side again will start peeling off the stickers now. See, here we have the rainy season stickers with us. So let us start now. First, I'll take 2 at a time. Now the first we have is clouds. So here is the picture of clouds. I'll paste it like this. Done. Next we have is rain. Clouds में से rain आती है ना? So here is the rain. We'll paste rain here. Like this. Now again we'll go back. So next we have is a picture of a rainbow. See here a rainbow. I told you rainbow is a band of 7 colors. I have told you the colors also. We call that Vibgyor. So these are the 7 colors in Vibgyor. Now next we have is An umbrella. So can you tell me what is an umbrella? It is something like this that helps us to protect ourselves from rain and bright shiny sun rays also. Summers में जब बहुत तेज sun होता है, that time also we use umbrella. Next we have is a raincoat. So what is a raincoat? It is a type of a coat that protect us from rain. Next is a paper boat. Yes. So you all know how to make a paper boat? Yes, very good. And you all row your boats in water during rainy season? Great. So this is our paper boat. So next is a frog. Wow. Okay, can you tell me frog कैसे करता है? Sound of the frog. Trrr, trrr. This is how a frog makes the sound. Now next we have is peacock. So peacock is a very beautiful bird and it is also our national bird. पता है? Peacock is the national bird of our country. A very beautiful bird. See, जब rain होती है ना, when it is rainy, they spread out their feathers like this and they love dancing in rainy season. Next we have is samosas. Yes. So you all enjoy eating samosas during rainy season? I told you we eat samosas, pakoras, isn't it? Great. Next we have is poodles. So what is poodle? Basically when it rains you find small ponds बन जाते हैं पानी के जहाँ accumulate हो जाता है. We call them poodles. छोटे छोटे गड्ढे जिनमें पानी भर जाता है. Okay. So now next is complete the pattern. So what is a pattern you all know? When we follow a specific given order. Now we have to complete the pattern. So the given pattern says cloud, a rainy cloud, then again a simple cloud. So what's next? Next will be a rainy cloud. So let us draw a rainy cloud here. We'll draw a cloud and we'll let the rainfall come out of it. Done. Next we have is an umbrella, a boat, again an umbrella. So what we have to draw here? We have to draw a boat here. So one sleeping line, two slanting line, one right side, one left side. Then again we'll join them with a sleeping line and we'll make a row here. What is a row? Oar, sorry, oar. What is an oar? जिससे हम अपनी बोट को चलाते हैं. Clear? So it's an oar. So next we have is a frog, a puddle of water, a frog. Again we'll draw a puddle of water. Done? Okay. Now moving to the next page, that is page number 106. So here also you'll find something related to a rainy day. Number the picture in the correct order. So 4 pictures are given. I'll just read these pictures out for you and then what we have to do, we are going to number them. What we are going to do, we are going to number them. So Ria's umbrella flies away. She tries to catch it. There's a girl named Ria. What happened? The umbrella, उसका जो umbrella है वो उड़ गया. It flies away and she's trying to catch it. वो उसको पकड़ने की कोशिश कर रही है. Next picture says it is a cloudy day. Ria goes out. See, it's a cloudy day and Ria has gone out. Next, it starts raining. Ria opens her umbrella. अब क्या हुआ? जब बारिश आनी स्टार्ट हुई तो what Ria did? She opens up her umbrella. The wind starts blowing hard. उसने umbrella खोला but what happened? The wind also starts blowing. Clear? Now we have to number it out. So the very first picture is, it was a normal cloudy day and Ria was going out. ठीक है? So 1. This is number 1. After that, what happens? After that happens is it starts raining. Riya went out और जो suddenly क्या हुआ? It starts raining, and when it starts raining, Riya opens her umbrella. Riya ने फिर अपना umbrella open किया. This is number 2. Then what happened? Umbrella तो open कर लिया. Then it starts blowing. The wind starts blowing hard. बहुत तेज हवा चलने लगी. और फिर जब हवा चली, then what happened? Riya's umbrella flies away. Wind के चलने से umbrella उड़ गया ना, and she tries to catch it. So this is number 4. Understood? This is how we try to create short stories. Now today's homework. What is your today's homework? Page number 107 is your today's homework. So yes, we forgot to write date here. So don't forget, you have to write your date on each and every page. So this was also your classwork. Now moving towards homework. 1st October 2020, and this is your homework. Okay class? So what you have to do? Match the things with the season in which we use them. So there is a cap, a swim costume, a boat, paper boat, a raincoat, a woolen cap, an ice cream cup. Then we have a normal coat which we use in winter season. We have a jacket here, an umbrella, sunglasses, fan and sweater. So these are the things given to you. What you have to do? You are going to match these things according to the proper season. First we have is a winter season. Next we have is a summer season. And last we have is rainy season. So class, use your color pencil to do this work. Is that clear to all of you? For example, I'll just show you only one. So this is an ice cream cup. So we prefer eating ice cream in summer season. Take any of your pencil color and match it. What you can do is take 3 colors. Okay. Make one for summer season, one for winter season and one for rainy season. रेनी सीजन की सारी चीज़ें उसी कलर से, फॉर एग्जाम्पल ब्लू कलर, सारी ब्लू कलर से मैच करेंगे. फॉर समर यू कैन यूज़ येलो एंड फॉर विंटर यू कैन यूज़ ऑरेंज कलर. क्लियर? और यू कैन टेक एनी अदर कलर ऑफ योर चॉइस. सो कंप्लीट योर होमवर्क नाउ. So class, hope you have enjoyed doing drawings and doing matching work, all these activities. So complete your work and just wait for rainy season. Let us see when the season will come. So you are going to tell me that, as in the conversation class I have told you, rainy season comes after summer season, isn't it? So let us revise our conversation class also once here. Which was the first season we have discussed? Spring season, Basant ka mahina. Then we did summer season, यानी कि गर्मियों का मौसम. Then we did rainy season, or you can say monsoon season, that is वर्षा ऋतु, बारिश का महीना. Then we did autumn season. So what is autumn season? पतझड़, जब trees पे से old leaves, dry leaves shed out हो जाती हैं. So that is called autumn, or in Hindi you can call it पतझड़. And last we did was winter season, सर्दियाँ, सर्दियों का मौसम. Clear? So these were the 5 seasons. So what I can ask you to do today is, after watching this class, or you can say after completing your today's classes, watch that conversation video once again and see. I have told you which season is coming in which month. So try to memorize it so that it's easy for you to tell कि when I'll say, okay, tell me which season is going on. आपको month याद होगा तो you'll able to tell कि okay ma'am, October month is going on and in October we have this season. Okay, so like this, after completing your today's class, just watch your conversation video once again and try to memorize the different months in different seasons. So bye for now, take care.